Hey. I can't hear you, Santa. Can't hear you. Didn't we tell you to download Speedify?
Streamergency. The stressful situation when one's video call, online game, or stream breaks down or freezes unexpectedly.
Ho ho ho.
You know, ever since we got Speedify down at the workshop, Toy Production's up 150%.
That's great.
Yeah, no more dropped calls, and meetings are way
Awesome.
smoother.
Speedify fixes streamergencies by combining your available connections and prioritizing streaming traffic. This means video calls, games, and live streams will stay connected and clear as possible, even on the go. Don't have a streamergency this holiday season. Download Speedify. Available now on iOS, Android, Mac, PC, and Linux.
What's up, Santa? I'm kinda busy.
Ho ho ho. This Speedify app is definitely on my nice list.
Yeah?
My music streaming doesn't cut out anymore while I'm on the sleigh. Thanks.
Alright, I gotta back to work.